In front of me is Honor 8, and let me show you how to activate touch sounds on this device. So at first, just open the settings, then find and select sound, and here scroll down. Here you will notice touch sounds, so smoothly mark it, and from now on, as you can already hear, they are on and you can smoothly use your device with this taps on. So that's it. Whenever you would like to mute them, if you would like to switch them off, smoothly unmark this switcher. It's also under sound because it's just the same icon. Scroll down and here you've got it. So smoothly on this one, just unmark it. And this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.